Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2021 Jayco Seismic 4113. I just stepped back to get a full view of this 45-foot, 7-inch toy hauler. As you can see, we have a 5500 Awning generator. It has 2 slides along the side and sleeps 9 people. We have pass-through storage underneath. We have rooftop access. We have the party deck option on the back, which is super easy to set up. For as big as this camper is, it's certainly user-friendly. I'm 5'2", and that was just fine. So do not let the size intimidate you. We have LED light strips underneath the awning. We have a patio on the side here with a TV. This is a dual entry camper. We also have an outdoor kitchen. What's great about this is that we have this outdoor kitchen that swings out, gives us our grill and our fridge, but doesn't take away from our cargo area, which is the whole point usually of buying a toy hauler. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we're inside this beautiful toy hauler. It has a fully loaded garage area as well as a beautiful living area. Get the best of both RV worlds. Let's go ahead and use a sliding door. This patio is very solid. As I said before, very easy to set up. We have our TV with outdoor speakers here. Inside are the seating with these trays that can be removed and reclining seats. We have a loft as well as an entertainment center. We have a large pantry and 4-door refrigerator. Goes back pretty far. Unlike some shallower pantries where they look big, but once you open them, it's not so great. We have a huge refrigerator, a nice freezer. When we turn around, you'll notice that one thing I really like about this camper is that we have a lot of counter space and plenty of room in here to store things and move around. We have some overhead cabinetry. There's a nice wardrobe slide here. We'll get to that in a second. I'm going to stop in the restroom first. Foot flush toilet. A shower seat that you can fold up or down. Skylight. Shower. We have a nice sink here. In our bedroom, we have a bedroom TV. Overhead cabinetry. Nice bed. I also really like the window at the front. That's a nice touch. And then we shut the bedroom door here. We have some wardrobe space and additional drawers and space here. Let's go ahead and make our way back towards the garage. Of course, this ladder you can take and fold up and, well, not fold up, but you can place up into that loft area so you're not dodging it like I'm about to. Here we have our nice garage. Go ahead and go out on this deck. Get a nice view as you are camping. We have sliding doors here as well. And notice towards the back, we have washer dryer hookup. We have electric bed and fold over benches. We have TV in the garage. Our own separate entrance for the garage. and foot flush toilet, and our half bath. Let's go ahead and take one more look up at these electric beds. You'll see there's also an AC in the garage, which is great if you're going to be using the garage as a guest room rather than a cargo area. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of the Seismic. Feel free to ask questions or to apply for financing online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.